got the ZHP knob though. That's pretty tight. Whoa!
Got the CHP knob.
If you can't make your wood clock, you is not smoking. I just spent 200 on the zip, I'm not joking. I'm addicted to this shit, I can't stop.
I'm in Stockton visiting Pat. We're helping with the E46. And Richard got a new car. And it's pretty cool, I do like it.
It's a Z3. Now watch me rear end something.
Don't do that.
So this is a 99 BMW Z3. It's a 2.5 5-speed get rag. And so far what I've done is solid motor mounts, solid transmission mounts, and a solid diff bushing. For whoever's watching that owns a Z3, they may know about the whole rear end and it falling out and stuff like that.
Well, and like a lot of E36, E46,
E30,
pretty
it's all
common.
kind of the same thing. But Tony built me a whole stainless steel, just like a bar of steel, and since that day it's been perfect, strong as hell. And now that I've got all the bushings all solid, this car, like, it feels like a rocket. If you have a Miata, you should sell it and get a Z3.
I will say this car is pretty good. I think for what Richard has owned in the past, I actually still have a clip of him with his wagon that never made it to YouTube, so I'll put that in now. He has wood trim. Oh, got a little bit of noise, huh?
I cut the exhaust.
Oh, okay, less cool. To document what Richard has for breakfast in the morning. 55 milligrams of nicotine and a Pepsi. Dude, this might be the most unsafe vehicle to take to breakfast.
You have to experience it.
No, I'm not mad at it. I like it. 500 bucks, dude. $750 all in for a 5 Series wagon. How many miles it have?
221.
He had a slammed wagon on PP rods, and that was pretty cool. It was actually kind of cool.
It definitely looked sick as fuck.
It did.
And I bought it for 500 bucks.
Yeah. So when he got this car, the rear end was literally falling out of it. They welded it up and they fixed it, and now it's good. This car scoots. I will say this is a good car. I'm glad Richard has this one.
I'm comfortable. I'm driving in Crocs.
True.
I got heated seats. I got air conditioning that works. It's a time.
Yeah,
it's definitely a time.
For sure. He got the ZHP knob though. That's pretty tight. Whoa!
Got the CHP knob.
Oh!
The Z3 is one of the first BMWs to ever be solely manufactured in the United States.
Alright, I will say too, the exhaust on this car sounds pretty good. And I'm not just saying that, it actually sounds good, because when you do a muffler delete on an E36, it's so fucking loud. The muffler delete on this is not that bad. This is a dailyable note. If you muffler delete your E36 and daily it, you get a headache. You know exactly what I'm talking about, but this car is really not bad. What's also cool is the racks in these cars. It's a popular upgrade to put the Z3 rack into an E36 because the turning radius in this car is so much better and the rack is so much tighter that it would totally be worth the upgrade. Now that I've driven a Z3, I think from like if I was to do a front end refresh on the M3, a Z3 rack would be a must.
See something cool? Nope. Watch this. Watch this. And then you just hop back in like that never happened. Whether it be shitty cars or cars that nobody likes, I have a history of bringing dead cars back to life.
Or killing them.
Or killing them, but I love buying a broken car and like not giving up. Same with this car. This car was either going to be sent to pick and pull, or I was going to sell it for stupid cheap because of the rear end. But we put in the work, we put in the time, and now this car is so enjoyable for everybody to drive, and it's bulletproof. Anybody who will drive this, I will tell them, beat the ever-living crap out of this.
That is true. As soon as I got here today, Richard tossed keys.
I
didn't even ask. He was just like, all right, it's your turn. So, I don't know. It's a cool car.
Do you happen to know where the amp is, or?
I think it's behind this seat.
There it is. What did I say? Come take a gander. Scar.
What were you going to say about Scar?
So,
why are we naming shit like this?
So we found this on the ground today. So Condor Speed Shop sticker, because I love Condor. Mm-hmm. They send me cozies all the time. Right.
Well, I think everybody gets the cozy. I got a few of those.
No, you don't. You don't get a cozy. Take a look right here.
I don't even want to.
You see this bumper right here?
Yeah. All right. So what's the OEM paint color on this?
Hell Rock.
It is?
This is Hell Rock. It is stamped on one of these pillars or shock.
Definitely
towers.
wrought. Pretty much a Supra, right? Is what you were saying earlier?
Yeah, so the hood opens the same way, so it's a Supra.
Okay.
So the trunk's obviously, it's fading.
Yeah. This is active aero as well?
Yes, so the air will come from here, right?
Uh-huh.
And then because there's a hole, there's a huge vacuum, and it'll go, and it'll push me forward.
Donate to Richard's GoFundMe.
So I don't have a third brake light at the moment, but I am looking vigorously for one.
Vigorously.
The antenna used to be there.
Who needs it?
No, it's not.
We have Bluetooth. We have technology.
Interior check.
The interior is not good whatsoever, so I will fess up to that it's not good. Interior is crap.
Yeah.
Exterior, crap. Drivetrain, good. When do you want to drive out to Mexico?
Whenever you're ready. Well, whenever they want to go to.
Nobody is going to do anything that is illegal. Everything is on a closed course that you see in this video. Closed course. I am a trained professional, and nobody's going to be hurt. So, without further ado, let's go get to doing some 100% illegal stuff.
Alright, we're currently on our way to Mexico. Yeah. In the formerly known as, we're currently known as the 𝙤𝙀.
Yup.
So, this is Pat's new Tahoe.
Tow rig Tahoe.
The tow rig, the trig. It's like a super sweet GM truck, like before they did the update, and like where you ride on an actual couch for an interior. So that part is super cool. And you guys know, whenever I'm around, especially when I visit and Richard is around, you're in for a treat. So stay tuned. We brought a fire extinguisher.
I think there's gonna be some shenanigans that go down for sure.
Yeah.
So it's gonna get interesting, to say the least.
So you might want to keep watching this.
Yeah, I would advise.
Yeah.
What is going on?
Oh my God!
Regular traffic ass line up right now.
What happened?
He was saying, he's like, you a dumb motherfucker. I got a strap, don't try no shit. And I was like, bro, I'm trying to be fucking respectful.
2 Miatas. Yeah, it's already recording.
Oh.
You can
Cool.
grab one.
Is it here?
Yeah.
All right, that's gonna go in.
Yeah. Ever since I was a little kid, I wanted a pit bike. Got bored, got on Marketplace, and we've just been lowballing.
We're stealing a pit bike from a kid.
Pretty much.
Pretty much.